Well, today it's the 25th of August. I'm off to, you guessed it, Chequered Flag. And they are celebrating 10 years. So they've been 10 years at their current location in Liskeard. So I think there's a birthday cake and some bits. I've still got some bits to tidy up at the bus. Last minute, but there you go. We've had a quick spruce up as we got caught out by a week, but yeah, this is the start. Eventually that chair will be changed round as well. So probably not a lot of people realise this, but at the end, just to the side of the calf, well, between the calf and the bus, there's actually a garden. So if you don't like the road noise, you want to sit out here and eat, there's a nice shady section. Well, there's one bench that gets the sunlight a little bit later, and there is a set of cornhole boards if you fancy playing a game of cornhole. We're going to have a speech.
Thanks for everyone that supported us over 10 years. It feels like 20, but someone said we wouldn't last 6 months when we first opened. 10 years on, we're still here through COVID and lots of other challenges. Here's to you.
Because we've got all this help and support and a great community of people. It's brilliant.
Hang on, I'll get a tissue. She'll get more.
Right, cake.